Hi, Grandma Abuela here. I want to talk about CPR with adults. And maybe you don't have a lot of dealings with adults. Maybe you're around children most of the time. I don't know. But I feel like everyone should know how to do CPR. I've got videos up for infants, a video up for children, and now this is my video for adults because I don't want to leave anybody out. When you're doing CPR on an adult, you're going to use both hands. Your arms will be straight. You're going to interlock the fingers like this. You will press with the heel of your hand right here in the center of the chest. Easy way to do that is to find that sternum here, go up, and then you're just going to be right there in the center of their chest. And you want to make sure that your person is on a hard, flat surface. If they're in bed, you're probably going to need to put them down on the floor. They need to be something that's a hard, firm surface. And then you're just going to start doing chest compressions like this. Be sure that you're lifting your weight up so that the chest can recoil completely. And you do these at 100 beats per minute, which is to the tune of Staying Alive. If you've watched my other two videos, you're probably sick of hearing me sing, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. Staying alive, staying alive, staying alive, staying alive. That's all you do. Just get that rhythm in and count to 30. Do that 5 times and then have somebody else take over if there's someone there. If not, you're just going to have to keep doing it. How long do you do CPR for? Until help arrives. First thing you want to do when you see somebody that has collapsed is you want to call 911. You want to make sure that an ambulance gets there, that there's help there. Then you start your CPR. If you've got a cell phone, that's great. Call 911, put it on speakerphone. You can talk to them while you're going ahead and doing the chest compressions. You don't need to worry about mouth to mouth anymore. There is enough oxygen in the bloodstream that as you start those chest compressions, it will circulate the blood through the heart and through the brain so that the person can survive as long as you get to them right away. I've read some great stories, heard some great stories of people who knew CPR and did CPR in an emergency and saved the person's life. Now, I would highly recommend that you get CPR certified if you're not. There's even classes that you can take online, is my understanding. You might be able to find a class through your local community center, through maybe even one of your local schools. But I would highly recommend that you take a CPR class. But if you can't, at least remember you want to press hard and fast, 100 beats per minute to the tune of Staying Alive.